no food to get here in my house. Looks like Papa, what does kaka mean?
Huh?
What does kaka mean?
Kaka?
Yeah.
My little brother. Your Kaka.
Like Rashnil's little brother?
Yes. He's your Kaka.
Why did Rashnil go to work? If Rashnil is a kid, why does he go to work?
Why does Rashmi go to work?
Yeah, if he's a kid, why does he go to work?
No, Rashmi is old. Rashmi is 23 years old.
Let's know that he's not even a dad.
Yeah, but he's an old boy.
Yeah, but he's not even a kid.
Yeah,
I mean, he is a kid.
Yeah, he is kind of a kid.
He is.
Yes, he is. I know. He is little kitty.
I should go to the. No, I'm not supposed to tell you what. I'm.
Okay, just keep pretending.
Put it back in.
Okay, fine. I put it back in.
No, you have to put.
You're getting recorded.
Put the.
You're being recorded.
Put that
Oh my God.
side.
Okay, hurry up. Tell me, what do you like?
I should go to the restaurant.
I have no customers. I hope my customers come soon. Hello, ma'am. How you doing, ma'am?
I'm good.
Okay, what would you like to eat?
Pancakes and nuggets and bun and
Are you gonna sit here, ma'am?
no.
Are you gonna order and leave?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Where are you, ma'am?
I'm right over here. And can I have some and can I have some lemon?
Some lemon? You gonna eat lemon for breakfast, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay, sounds like a good idea. What else would you like to eat, ma'am?
Can I have a fork with that?
A fork?
Yeah.
Okay. You want some pancake?
Yeah.
Okay. How many pancakes would you like?
This one.
Just one?
Yeah.
Would you like some noodles with that too?
Yeah, noodles. So, pancakes,
Pancakes,
noodles,
noodles,
bun,
bun,
and lemon,
and lemon. Okay.
and and one fork,
One fork. Okay.
and
Now nuggets.
nuggets too.
Nuggets too. Okay, ma'am.
And also I would like and I also like
Strawberry, ma'am.
strawberry, yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Strawberries.
You got it, ma'am.
Strawberries. Strawberries. Strawberries.
Okay, ma'am.
Strawberries.
What else would you like to eat, ma'am?
That's all.
That's all?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to say the order will be 10:55.
The order will be 10:55.
Okay.
Ma'am, don't cut the comb, please. That's our customer comb. All right, ma'am. So order will be 10:55. How will you be paying? Cash or card? Ma'am, now, no playing with scissors.
Cash.
Cash, okay. Money, please. Here's change. Thank you. Ma'am, do you need some books and markers to do some stuff while you wait for your food?
No, thank you. I'm okay.
You're okay, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Sounds good. So, ma'am, how's your day going?
Okay.
How many kids do you have, ma'am?
This one.
Just one?
Yeah.
What's your kid's name?
Olivia.
Olivia?
Yeah.
Is Olivia a nice kid?
Yeah.
Okay.
She talks to people nicely, but at her school, everybody's not nice to her.
Why not?
I don't know. She always tells me.
What's going on at her school? Does your daughter just go sit in the corner like my daughter does? My daughter likes to talk too much at home, but when it comes to school, she's quiet most of the time. You know, ma'am?
Okay.
My daughter, she likes to talk a lot, but during school time, she's mainly quiet, ma'am.
That's good because no one being mean to her.
Yeah, my daughter, no one is mean to my daughter. They're nice to my daughter. And honestly,
But obviously, my daughter said somebody said she was gonna be her friend, but she was lying, and then somebody and her fake friend.
what?
I mean, no, she was lying. She was gonna be her friend, her school friend, and then her school friend told the other school friend go hit the other my daughter.
Ma'am, I feel like you watch too much YouTube TV. You know that, ma'am? I feel like you watch too much YouTube, ma'am.
Oh, stop. I don't like this restaurant.
But, ma'am,
I don't like this restaurant.
are you sure about that, ma'am?
I don't like this restaurant. I'm going to go back home.
You want to go back home, ma'am?
Yeah, because you're being mean as possible.
What?
I'm joking and recording on my table.
Ma'am, do you need some stuff to do while you're waiting?
No! Oh, baby,
What you doing, ma'am? Now, ma'am? Oh, yes. Like a superhero band. Okay, ma'am.
Andy. Get up in my hand. Ma'am, look at me. I'm inside of your plate.
Ma'am, can you please get out of my place? Please go to do your stuff, ma'am. Do not disturb my workplace, ma'am.
Okay.
What are you doing, ma'am?
I'm here with my kid.
You're here with your kid? What's your kid's name, ma'am?
I told you Olivia all the time.
Olivia. Olivia is a very nice name, ma'am. I love the name Olivia.
Don't talk about me.
What? But we like you, Olivia.
Don't talk about me.
We love you.
Don't talk about me. Don't talk about me. Don't talk about me. Don't talk.
Ma'am, what are the things that you ordered? Nuggets?
Pancake, nugget, noodle, and lemon,
What about strawberries?
and bun and strawberry.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, our lemons are not ripe right now, so I can't really give it to you. Is that okay, ma'am?
No.
Do you want the lemon?
Yes.
Okay. You say so. Ma'am, our lemons are very spicy, sour.
No, it's okay. I like sour.
They just went running off because I know that Nadal tried to ask Taylor's phone
amazing food. Please enjoy. Bon appetit. Now what else am I supposed to say, ma'am? Please eat your food, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I am so mad.
Why are you mad at me, ma'am?
Because you didn't put my bun in
I'll get you a bun, ma'am.
there. I don't like this restaurant.
Here's your bun, ma'am. And some water to go with this. Is there anything else would you like, ma'am?
No.
Okay, ma'am. Please enjoy your food. Ma'am, eat your food, please.
You can't say that. I'm her mom.
Will anything be different now that they're calling it a date?
And my mom had to do it.
Yeah, you actually look good. Yeah, and you look so ugly today.